Welcome back to Mega Auto World. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic full-size SUVs in the world, the 2026 Nissan Patrol. If you love power, luxury, and serious off-road capability, this SUV is built to impress. The 2026 Nissan Patrol continues its legendary presence with a bold and commanding design. Right from the front, you notice the massive V-motion grille, sharper LED headlights, and a more aggressive bumper that gives it a modern yet muscular look. The overall body design stays true to the Patrol's tough DNA, but with refined touches that make it feel more premium than ever. Large alloy wheels, chrome accents, and a strong road stance ensure this SUV turns heads whether it's cruising through the city or conquering desert dunes. Step inside, and the Patrol welcomes you with a spacious and luxurious cabin. Nissan has focused heavily on comfort and technology this year. High-quality leather seats, soft-touch materials, and wood or brushed metal trims create a premium atmosphere. The seating is extremely comfortable, making long journeys effortless for both driver and passengers. There's plenty of legroom across all three rows, and the cargo space is generous, perfect for family trips or adventure gear. Technology is another highlight of the 2026 Nissan Patrol. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, making connectivity smooth and intuitive. A digital driver display, premium sound system, wireless charging, and multiple USB ports ensure everyone stays connected and entertained. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree camera make driving safer and more confident. Under the hood, the Nissan Patrol delivers serious power. It's expected to continue with a strong V8 engine option, offering impressive horsepower and torque. This SUV doesn't just look powerful, it truly performs. Acceleration is smooth for a vehicle of this size, and the ride quality remains comfortable even at high speeds. Off-road performance is where the Patrol truly shines, with features like selectable drive modes, four-wheel drive, and advanced suspension systems that handle sand, rocks, and rough terrain with ease. Despite its size and power, Nissan has worked on improving fuel efficiency and overall driving refinement. The suspension setup balances comfort and capability, making the Patrol equally suitable for daily driving and extreme adventures. To sum it up, the 2026 Nissan Patrol is a perfect blend of luxury, strength, and reliability. It's built for those who want commanding road presence, premium comfort, and unmatched off-road performance in one package. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring the wild, the Nissan Patrol stands ready for any challenge. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mega Auto World for more epic car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.